Welcome to Positional Trading Review for the month of November 2021. This video is to review the positional trades taken during the month of November 2021. We generally share our positional trading plan and trading levels at the start of every month, that is every new monthly expiry contracts, and this video is to review how those positional trades panned out at the end of the month. As you all know, we generally trade only on 8 stocks, which are ITC, Infi, JSW Steel, Lupin, Reliance, Sun Pharma, Bharati Airtel, and ICICI Bank, and two indices, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, every month. We also have automated alerts being triggered whenever we trade. You can subscribe to this service completely free of charge using the link in the description section of this video. Name of the Telegram channel which provides automated alerts is Positional Alerts. So with that note, let's begin our review for the trades taken during November 2021. This was another good month to take positional trades. Let's start our review with indices first. So the first on the list is Nifty. When it comes to Nifty, price was hovering around our long entry price on Nifty for few days, but it always flied to close above it. Finally, the price breached the long entry, but in the form of gap up, which invalidated the trade. In addition, huge resistance was seen in the option analytics chart of Nifty during the gap up. With long side invalidated and resistance growing stronger, we were actively looking for short trade, which was triggered in the last week of November. In fact, we helped a lot of traders through Telegram for this short trade. It was a quick trade as we don't take trades on the last week of expiry. Price almost gave all three targets on the short side and we had to exit at target 2 during the bounce. Overall, this was a good trade. Next on the list is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty gave the best trade for this month. Short entry on Bank Nifty was triggered on the third week of the month with a clean pullback entry and it smoothly gave all three targets in the next couple of days. This was a classic textbook trade. You should never miss this kind of trades. Moving on to the stocks, first on the list is Bharati Airtel. In Bharati Airtel, long entry was triggered on the first week of November expiry month with a strong bullish move and a clean pullback entry. The trade moved steadily after giving entry and it gave all three targets cleanly. The price gave second breakout entry on the last week of the month and it gave two targets as well, but since it was the last week of expiry, we didn't take the second trade. Next on the list is ICICI Bank. Short entry on ICICI Bank was triggered on the third week of November with a strong bearish move and a perfect pullback entry, and it went on to hit all three targets cleanly. This was another perfect trade for the month. We should never miss such a simple trades. Next one on the list is Infosys. Long entry on Infosys was triggered on the second week of November expiry with a good entry. But after giving entry, price started dropping for the next few days, even though the candles remained green, which indicates bullishness. This is exactly what happened on the last month as well. The trade moved steadily after a few days and it hit all three targets smoothly. This was another good trade for the month. Next on the list is ITC. Price gave entry on the long side on the second week of the month with a strong bullish move and a perfect entry by breaking out and forming a hammer pattern. It then went on to hit all three targets smoothly. The second breakout trade on the long side was triggered after a couple of days and it hit the first target on the same day and then dropped and hit a trailing stop loss placed at target 1. So we had to exit the second breakout trade at cost. Overall, this was a good trade. Next on the list is JSW Steel. After giving good profits last month, JSW Steel went into a shell of its own this month and it remained range bound throughout the month. The price teased around both the long entry and the short entry on multiple occasions, but it always failed to give proper closing and breakout. There was no trade on JSW Steel this month. Next one on the list is Lupin. This was the bad trade for the month. The price gave long breakout on the first week of the month, but it didn't give any pullback to enter into the trade. Price went on to hit all three targets on the very same day as well, and we missed this whole breakout trade. price remained range bound for the next 2 weeks and it gave the second long side breakout on the third week of the month. But after giving good entry, price started dropping and went on to hit the stop loss. This was the bad trade for the month. Next one on the list is Reliance. This was a zigzag trade. Price gave entry on the short side at the first week of November and it went on to hit the first target on the same day. But on the next day, price bounced back and hit our trailing stop loss placed at cost, so we had to exit this trade at cost. After hitting our trailing stop loss, price dropped again and went on to hit target 2 before bouncing back again, and then it rallied for the next few days. After a good rally, price started dropping again from the OI resistance of 2600 and gave a proper re-entry on the third week of the month. This time, price gave all three targets clearly, which we happily pocketed. Price gave the second short side entry after a few days and gave the first target as well, but we didn't take this trade as it was already the last week of expiry. Overall, this was another good trade for the month. Last one on the list is Sun Pharma. This was another zigzag trade of the month. Price gave short side entry in the first week of the month and it went on to hit our stop loss directly on the very next day. Price then remained range bound for the next 2 weeks before giving re-entry on the short side and it went on to hit almost all three targets. We exited at target 2 during the bounce, but overall, this was a loss-making trade due to the initial whipsaw at the start of the month, but the loss became negligible due to the second trade. Even though we had two direct stop losses being hit, this was another good month for us. Hope you had traded on some of these instruments and made some profits. Please share your experience or feedback with us if you have taken any of these trades. If you have any questions or clarifications on taking positional trades, feel free to ask in the comment section. And lastly, are you ready for trading using December month level files? We have already shared the trading levels for the month of December in our Market Secrets and Positional Alerts Telegram channels. To get the automated alerts whenever positional trades are being triggered based on our levels, you can join our Positional Alerts Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to the channel in the description section of this video. Do you want to learn how to use the monthly levels file? Then you need to check out our video on positional trading using monthly levels. I'll leave the link to the video in the description section of this video. You can use our level strategy along with basic technical analysis to mint money in positional trading. And lastly, do you want to learn how to generate these levels and do you need a full-fledged training on intraday, swing, positional and options trading? Then you can consider joining our professional traders program, otherwise called as PTP. I'll leave the link to our training program details in the description section of this video. Also, if you want to trade on stocks other than the 8 stocks shared in our Positional Alerts Telegram channel, you can use our monthly levels file in our website, which has trading levels for all the F&O stocks. I'll leave the link to our website in the description section of this video. For any other queries, you can reach us anytime through WhatsApp or Telegram. Our contact details are available in our website. Finally, thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.